In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism have martyred 651 Kashmiris, including 13 women, since 2019 in the territory. According to a report compiled by the research section of the Kashmir Media Service, 99 Kashmiris were killed by Indian troops in FAC encounters and custody in the past 3 years. Over 18,000 Hurriyat leaders, activists, youth, students, journalists and civil society members were arrested by Indian troops and India's notorious National Investigation Agency in at least 12,694 cordon and search operations and house raids in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, family members and relatives of a missing trader from Sopore held a protest demonstration at Press Enclave in Srinagar for his recovery. The relatives of the missing trader, Ghulam Nabi Naiko, while talking to media persons on the occasion, said that Naiko went missing when he left for Shopian in September this year. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference, in a statement in Srinagar, termed the deployment of more Indian troops, arbitrary termination of Muslim employees from government jobs, and issuance of hundreds of thousands of domicile certificates to non-locals as part of the conspiracy of Modi-led Indian government to impose Hindutva agenda and effect demographic changes in Kashmir on urgent basis. The Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, in their statements strongly opposed the allotment of agricultural land for construction of camps and accommodations for Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force personnel in Kakapura area of Pulwama district. The Mirwais-led forum said that the snatching of agricultural land from locals would only add their worries in the world's already most militarized zone. The Indian authorities suspended 4 local forest officials, including a range officer in Kupwara district. All the suspended officials are Muslims and may fall prey to the ongoing termination spree launched by the Modi government in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Villagers in Kalaban area of Mendhar in Poonch district held a protest demonstration against the embezzlement in their funds by the authorities. They raised slogans against the Indian officials. In India, a church was vandalized by Hindu extremists in New Delhi. Interestingly, an FIR has been registered against the attackers of the church on the charge of violating COVID restrictions guidelines.